How to make something continuously rotate on Canva. For example, let's say I would like this picture to rotate. All I'll need to do is select the pic. Then from there, we're going to tap on animate from the top right hand corner of the navigation bar. And you're going to scroll down. And you want to scroll all the way down until you see the rotate option. You're going to tap on that. After selecting the rotate option, from there, if you're on the paid plan, you'll be able to increase or decrease the speed by pulling along the slider. But if you're on the free plan, you'll have to leave it as is. You can further edit it if you're on the paid plan. And by the way, you can choose the way you like it to rotate. So you can select whichever one of these options. And again, you'll have to be on the paid plan to use one of those options. But you can see it right there. Now, if we were to select preview in the top right hand corner, you can see it is rotating. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.